Hi friends. Welcome to educatwork. Hope you all done your assignment. Now let's move forward towards our course. Today we're gonna learn Bitwise Operator. So let's begin. As I told you, the introduction of Bitwise in last video, let's revise that firstly, and then we will see how we can work with these operators practically. Bitwise operator act on operands as if they were strings of binary digits. They operate bit by bit, hence named bitwise. These are the bitwise operators: AND, OR, XOR, NOT, zero fill left shift, sign right shift. AND operator sets each bit to 1 if both bits are 1. Let's see the example. Write 12 and 13. Output is 12. Let's understand why it's giving output 12. Now change 12 and 13 into binary. 12 to 4 times 0 1 1 2 0. 13 to 4 times 0 1 1 0 1. Now do operation AND. Remember that in an operator it sets each bit 1 when both bits are 1. Now, 4 times 0 1 1 2 times 0. 4 times 0 1 1 0 1. On performing an operation, it will return 4 times 0 1 1 2 times 0. Hence the output is 12. You can do this using different number also, just try and comment. Now, OR operator sets each bit to 1 if one of two bits is 1. Now let's do this also in idle. Type 12 or 13. Output is 13. Now let's see this also using binary. We know 12 to 4 times 0 1 1 2 times 0. And 13 to 4 times 0 1 1 0 1. Now perform OR operation, which say if any of the bit is 1 it sets 1. On doing OR operation it will change in this. 4 times 0 1 1 0 1. That is 13. Hence, it will showing output 13. Here you also perform with different numbers. Now XOR operator sets each bit to 1 if only one of two bits is 1. Let's see example. 12 XOR 13. It will return 1. Let's understand this. 12 to 4 times 0 1 1 2 times 0. 13 to 4 times 0 1 1 0 1. Now perform XOR, which say it will set 1 if only one of the bit is 1. XOR of this. 7 times 0 1. So that it will show output 1. Now, NOT operator, also called as complement operator, inverts all bits. Like it change 1 complement as 0 and 0 complement as 1. Let's see example. Write NOT of 12. It will show output minus 13. Let's see this. 12 4 times 0 1 1 2 times 0. Now complement of 12 is 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. But how? Let's see this, why this number is minus 13. In system we can't store negative numbers, we only store positive numbers. So let's see what's the positive binary number of minus 13. For this we find 2's complement, also say it's in 1's complement plus 1. Binary format of plus 13 to 4 times 0 1 1 0 1. Now change 1's complement, that is 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0. But we have to find 2's complement. Now we add 1 to 1's complement, that is 1 1 1 1 2 times 0 1 0 plus 1. It will give 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. Now this number is equal minus 13. That is 2's complement of 13 is minus 13. And we compare this number with 12's complement, they are same, so that we got that answer. Now left shift. Let's see example 20 left shift 4. The output is 320. Let's find out why. 20 to 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. Imagine here, we write this number as 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0.0000. Because every number we write like this. 9.0, 76.00, etc. Now left shift can shift the zeros to right side. Here it will shift 4 zeros. If we write 20 left shift 2, then we will shift 2 zeros. Now let's see for 4 shift. 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0.00. These 4 zeros we shift left side. Let's check with normal calculation. 2 is to 0. 2 is to 1. 2 is to 2. 2 is to 3. 2 is to 4. 2 is to 5. 2 is to 6. 2 is to 7. 2 is to 8. These become 0 because you know 0 multiply by any number is 0. Here we have 2 is to 6 and 2 is to 8. Let's calculate. 2 is to 6 is 64 and 2 is to 8 is 256 total equal to 320. So that's the answer. Last one, right shift. In right shift we lose the given bit. Type 20 right shift 4. Output is 1. Like in this case we lost 4 bit. Example 2200101000. Now perform right shift. It will lose 4 bit. Now it become 0001 because 0100 are lose, then it will shift right side. If we see an 8 bit, then it become 00000001. So that the answer is 1. So, that's all from today's video. Hope you all understand Bitwise Operator. If you have any doubt ask me in comment. Now your questions, let's find this. 34 and 45? 46 or 30? 15x or 12? Not of 28. Complement of 33? 10 left shift 2. 10 right shift 2. Solve this and answer in comments. We see answer on next video. So friends, if you enjoy this video please like and share as much as you can, and subscribe our channel. Join our Telegram channel for latest updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.